Hey, today we're going to be planting some potatoes in these buckets here, and I just wanted to show you that we got some holes in the bottom because we get quite a bit of rain here, and we want the potatoes to actually grow and not rot.
Oh, these potatoes, the reason why their eyes are so big is because these are older potatoes.
So what we're going to do is we're going to fill the bucket up to about here, put the potato on top of the dirt, then cover it with about 2 more inches of dirt, leaving a little lip here so that when it grows up a little bit more, then we'll add some more dirt. Okay.
Think that's close enough?
Yeah, probably close enough.
So, I've spent what it felt like the last 15 minutes filling up this and these.
So you set them on top.
So
You just place it on top.
okay, like that. Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
So we're just gonna be placing the potatoes on top for now.
Set them in the middle.
Just like right in the middle. And there's another one. One last potato.
Okay. So then all we do is
just pour soil on them.
Pour more dirt on them.
I'll grab the dirt.
Cover them up with a couple of inches of dirt. Good.
I'm going to flatten out the dirt a bit.
Okay. Probably good for that one. Okay. On you guys's, you want to make sure you water them in good.
Yeah.
We're expecting rain tonight, so I'm not going to put a whole bunch in. Thankfully, the ones in the holes in the bottom of the bucket will be good drainage for whatever we get. Egg. He's a good kid.